Hey there guys, and welcome to the current day of doing NeetCode problems. We're doing the window, and we're gonna have to do with this thing called permutation string. So first what we're gonna do is I'm gonna look up what is a permutation. An arrangement of strings. Changing the order, for example, ABC includes ACB. Okay, so we have to look for CAB in ABC in this string. Okay. Okay. So we're gonna have to take this string 1, go through string 2, and see if we can get the same, like 3 digits to be the same. So I think what we'll start with is we'll say, okay, so we need a diction, because we don't know how big S1 is, but string 1, so I'm just gonna do for I in range, no, for num, for letter in S1, right? What we're gonna do is we're gonna take that letter and we're going to, for letter in S1, we're gonna say letter map at letter equals ord at letter minus ord at a. Python, what's it called? Yeah, so whatever letter I get, A should be 0. Okay. Minus or to A. So at the end of this, we should have a map with every letter in that course, and then so we have like the ASCII value stored. And then we're just gonna go, so 4. So we need a left pointer and a right pointer. Left equals LR equals 0. No, L equals 0. So for I in 4 letter in S2 if ord at letter, no, we need to do for I in R in no, for L in range then S2, we're gonna say if S2 at L, if order at the letter in L map, right? I need to remove it. So I'm gonna say K map equals L map. In K map dot remove ord S2 S to an L. I think this works. We'll open up VS Code to check. So I'm just gonna say, okay, lmap equals, no, I'll just copy paste this code real quick. And then we're just gonna, I just wanna print, oh, I don't know how I do this. Print this out. Cool. So remove from dict. Del. Ah, perfect. Okay, that's good. So that's good. So if I, and then if I do like kmap equals lmap, and I do kmap, I do print. Ah, perfect. Oh. So lmap just decides it wants to become what kmap is. I don't want that though. Why is it doing this? I bring kmap to it. Like, why is it doing this? I'm not linking them. This is being weird. Okay. Like, I'm just assigning it. It's like I edit kmap, and then it's editing that. Like, if I do kmap dot append, yeah. Whatever I do to kmap becomes now to lmap. Maybe it's because they're the same name. I think there was something with that. So we'll just change the name up. Like if I call it k equals that, print k, should be good, right? No, we're not good. Cool. Cancel. Thank you. I don't know what the hell that means. And only edit the copy. Cool. Oh, wow. Sorry. Alright, there you go. So everything works. I just have to do kmap.copy. Go back to the problem. Kmap.copy. Right? Kmap.pop S to it L. And then we're gonna go in and we're gonna say, okay, so if OR2 is in K-map, so if SL2 is in K-map, we're gonna pop it, and then we're gonna say if ORed S2 at L plus 1 in K-map, L plus 1, and then only when that one works, we do it again with 2 and 2. And then if that one works, oh no, because this is like, oh, whoa. No, that's what I thought, because I don't know how many letters there are. So I have to do like, so, ooh, we're gonna do L equals R equals L. So while ORed of S2 and R in K-map, K-map dot pop S2 at R plus equals 1, if R equals len S1, return true, over here return false. This one got false, this one's supposed to get true. Let's figure out why. Okay. I don't have to increase R. No, I do have to increase R. Oh, this is different, whole different numbers too. So ABC got false, yeah, cool. AB, we want to get no. Hear me out, right? R minus L should be L minus R. No, it should be L minus R. R plus equals, because for example, right, we're over here, L is 0, 1, 2, 3. L is 3, and R is going to be 5. No, R is going to be 5. R minus L plus 1. Plus 1 for fun? No. So well, order R2's in K-map. K-map.pop s R, and then we have R plus equals 1. So let's just put this into VS Code, and then we'll go boom, 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 boom. I'm so used to doing this. Oh my god. When I run this, I get a false, which is not good. So let's look up and say print S2 at R. Ah, nothing. That's not even. So print came out. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, huh? What you mean no? Okay. So Kmap did print. I have this, this, and this, right? S2, we're going for in range S2, LR. What? R equals L. Oh, minus ord at A. This should work? No. Why do I have it here? I should just keep it there and then get rid of that. Yeah, no, 97, 98, 99. Wait, ord is that? I thought it was, they were minuscule letters. Oh yeah, 97. I was looking at 61. Whoops. Print S2 it. So LECABE. Okay. So we're looking at it though. It was to say, okay, ord at S2 at R. So this is, I think, what the problem is. So if I just delete this, I don't want to submit because I know I'm gonna get the wrong answer or something. Let's try test cases, right? So if I go ABC and I run it, I get the right answer. If I CBA, I get the right answer. If I go CABA, I get the right answer. If I go CAAB, I get the wrong answer. Okay. I think we submit. Call it a day. Wrong answer. Wait, what? String index out of range. What you mean? I go to the left. Wait, what? Hold up. Alright, you know what? We'll go into the test case. We'll say boom. So hello. And whatever the frick this means. Ulio. And I get a wrong answer. Okay, and this is string index out of range S2 at R. Right? So it's saying that's definitely happening. And I'm at the end. So I'm going. Maybe if cause is it working? Ole. Let's test this actually. If I go AABC and I run this, I get the wrong answer. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't handle duplicate letters. I fucked up. Let's just look at the solution. Okay. So if len 1 is, okay, this makes sense. If len 1 is less than len 2, is bigger than len 2, return false. Makes sense. Now we're gonna, so we create a map. We get a list, and we have the count of every number in there. So matches equals 0. For I in range 26, matches plus equals 1 if count equals 1 equals count to I, L0. So then we have the amount of characters that already match. Wait, I have no idea. I don't know what this does. L equals 0 for R in range len 1 and len 2. If matches equals 26. Oh, so if the number of characters all match, return that. Index equals ord S2 at R minus ord at A. S2 count at index plus equals 1. If S1 count at index equals S2 count at index, match plus equals 1. If S1 count at index plus 1 equals if index equals S2 at index equals S2 at L. Return if match is equal to 26. This is the most confusing code I've ever seen in my if I run this, it works. So this makes perfect sense. This makes perfect sense. This makes perfect sense. And this makes perfect sense. I didn't know you could do this. But this makes perfect sense. When we get to here, we say index equals order at SR at R minus A. And then we're going to compare index, the right index, to the left index. And we're going to keep plus equals 1. Y minus 1, Y plus 1. I need to watch this video.
Hey everyone. It was like remaining 2 spots. Clearly we're going to see the wrong at the but if it's not the case, then we have to update the number of matches. We know that we just visited a character at index R, and this is the part where you actually might have hoped that you used a hash map rather than an array. And that's fine. If you want to rewrite the code that I'm about to write using hash maps, I think it's perfectly fine, but I feel like I usually overuse hash maps, so this time I actually wanted to kind of show you guys the array solution, even though it's a little bit more annoying. That character to an index is not the key of our array. We have to map that character to an index, and we can do that just like this. So S2 at index R minus ord of lowercase a. So we're also going to take the ord of this because that's how we're getting the index of our count arrays. So now we can actually use this index. But what are we going to use it for? Well, we know that this character is the character that was just added to our window in our S2 string. So we're going to increment the count of this by 1. But now that we just incremented the count of it by 1, it could be possible that now it exactly equals the count in S1. So if that's the case, if now that we incremented this and now it finally equals exactly S1 count at the same index, at the same character, then we can increment our number of matches by 1. But it's possible that also by incrementing this, instead of making it exactly equal, we made it too large. We made it exactly bigger than the target by 1. That's how you know we have got to actually decrement the number of matches. So basically, else if S1 count at the same index plus 1 is now exactly equal to S2 count at the index. And if this is the case, that means they were equal, they were exactly equal, but we just incremented S2 count by 1, so now we made them unequal. So then we actually have to decrement the number of matches by 1. Okay, and that's pretty much the entire algorithm, but there's one last thing, and I'm just going to go ahead and actually copy.
I have no idea why he did that. It makes, why are you incrementing the count in the first place? Hey, I can't lie, I'm too tired for this thing, man. I'm just gonna take another L. I need to back my game. Stack. I don't like stack. Sliding window. I don't like sliding window. I loved binary search. I loved the 2 pointers. Not really. I loved arrays and hashing. Oh my god, I loved arrays and hashing. I went crazy on this. But we'll keep going. I love linked lists too, so we're gonna probably start some linked lists. We're at 29 out of 150 completed. Well, I guess we'll try locking in tomorrow.